Look at this little lovey. Look at these beautiful, soulful eyes. Oh, I just love this look. This little love face is Boo. She's one of the Monsters, Inc. Puppies. There are 3 puppies in that litter, 2 boys and 1 girl. And Lexi and Ritz are the parents, and they're all reserved. She's only 7 weeks old. Look at her. This video is just to show her off. Show her off and let her people enjoy her. Let's see. There have been a couple of outtakes, so I'm trying to see if I've gotten all these toenails. She's just an absolute love girl. I think she's going to be perfect for her people. So I've decided that I'm going to just give puppy raising tips instead of concentrating on new puppy day 1, new puppy day 2, where I'm going through my poodle puppies, because all the puppies that stay here go through everything that I'm doing with my own puppies. And then as my own puppies get more mature and further along, I'll show you the things that I've been doing with them. But on day 1 and day 5 and day 30, I can just go ahead and show you what I'm doing with everybody's puppies, so that you're not always just looking at my puppies. You're looking at your puppies. So this video is mostly, of course, for Boo's people, but it's also for me to just show her off. Look at this coat. She's just a gem. So the new puppy tip that I want to give in this video is put a collar. I like collars. So I'm going to just tell you what I do. You do what you want when you have your puppy. Put a collar and a leash on your puppy. I always send it home, and let the puppy drag it. That way, you've got an extra 4 to 6 feet of your arm. So if you see your puppy starting to relieve itself inappropriately, you can grab that leash and go, hey, 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 scoop the puppy out and up and get him out. The leash it's like a long tail. So if your puppy sneaks behind a chair, you can see where your puppy's gone. Now, along with that, limit where your puppy has access. Don't let your puppy go all over the place. Put your puppy in a safe place on flooring that if an accident happens, it's not going to end the world. Let them drag the leash when you're just watching and you want them to have a little bit of freedom, but make sure you limit where they go. They're not ready to be all over the house.